Welcome to my comprehensive review of Credit Karma Tax, a platform designed for free and simple online tax filing. Credit Karma Tax offers a cost-effective solution for individuals looking to file their taxes without breaking the bank. One of its standout features is that it's entirely free. There are no hidden fees or upsells. This can be a major advantage for anyone who wants to maximize their tax refund without worrying about additional costs. Starting with the user interface, Credit Karma Tax has an intuitive and easy-to-navigate design. Whether you're filing your taxes for the first time or you're a seasoned filer, you'll appreciate how user-friendly the platform is. It provides clear step-by-step instructions, ensuring that even complex forms are straightforward to complete. The dashboard is well-organized, guiding users through income details, deductions, credits, and other tax essentials seamlessly. A major benefit of Credit Karma Tax is its accuracy. The platform double-checks your information and flags any potential errors or inconsistencies. This helps minimize the risk of filing incorrect information, which is crucial for avoiding penalties or delays with the IRS. It also supports a variety of forms, including 1040s, itemized deductions, and schedules for investments or self-employment income. Another feature worth noting is the tax refund tracker. Once your return is filed, you can easily monitor its progress and know when to expect your refund. The platform also integrates with Credit Karma's broader financial tools, allowing you to gain a deeper understanding of your financial health. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources that might help you in other aspects of your financial journey. Be sure to check them out after watching this video for additional insights and tools. Credit Karma Tax also prioritizes security. Your data is encrypted, ensuring that your sensitive financial information remains protected. This is especially important given the rise in cyber threats targeting tax filing platforms. One limitation to consider is that Credit Karma Tax does not support state filings in all states, so you'll need to check availability based on where you live. Additionally, while the platform caters to most individuals, those with more complex tax situations, such as multiple streams of foreign income, may find it less accommodating. Overall, Credit Karma Tax is an excellent option for individuals or families looking for a reliable and free way to handle their taxes. Its robust features, ease of use, and lack of hidden fees make it a standout choice in the crowded tax software market. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful reviews. Your support helps us create more content tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.